What up, YouTube? Breaking news. This eride Pro SS 3.0 is now well over $6,000. All right, I'm just a regular day dude. I know the bare minimum of these bikes, but man, that's a significant increase. If you thought the bikes weren't affordable before, they ain't affordable now. This is a damn car payment, all right? This is a car. Anyways, back to it. This bike I bought a month and a half ago for $4,999, all right? So basically, I walked into the store, this bike was already pre-assembled. I said, hey man, I got 5,000 bucks, cash. Can I have this bike? Boom, took it home. Now, the new price increase as of today, I think it's April 22nd, it is now $5,799 plus tax, plus shipping. You're looking at, for me in the state of Florida, I think that's like $6,347, all right? That is a lot of money, all right? There's a lot of bikes out there, budget bikes, you'll have just as much fun, but man, that is a lot of money. I think Sur Ron's went up like 200 bucks. This bike went up like essentially like $800. I mean, this bike is awesome, don't get me wrong, but I mean, for all you people saving, that is a significant increase. And I think you're looking at like 2 to 3 weeks. And if you look at the fine print, it says something like, can still cancel your order due to influx. Something bad can happen. I mean, like, good luck. As you can see, I've bought a couple other bikes. I bought this bike for 2,000 bucks off Facebook Marketplace. This bike rips. Enjoy it. My son, he loves the thing. These things, about 100 bucks, spent $100 for new batteries. And yeah, they go 17 miles an hour. They're not fast, but like, it's cheap. Get in the game. You can see I got a whole bunch of junk right here. I don't even know what half the stuff is, but I know somewhere in here is an Overvolt kit where we're going to basically make this thing go from 17 mile an hour top speed to 27. So for all you kids on a budget, a couple $100 bucks, you're in the game. I don't even know what's in this junk, man. I mean, like, oh, keychains. I bought a whole bunch of keychains. I don't know what to do with them. Give me an idea, maybe I'll send you one. But anyways, back to this video. It's a lot of money. I don't think you're getting any kind of new stuff on this bike for that price. And speaking of new price, new bike, the only complaint on this bike is a lot of people are saying the speedometer's off. I got a GPS on my phone. Let's go take it for a top speed run and see how off this speedometer is. Let's get into it. All right, we're on a closed course here in Mexico. Let's see if we can't get a accurate, real top speed run. Let's get it. 58 miles per hour in sport. Let's see what the real sport and speed and eco is. All right, let's go top speed and eco. Hopefully you can see this. 43 topped out. Says we're doing about 40 miles an hour, 39.40. All right, YouTube, that's all I got in this video. I don't want to sound like I'm talking negative about this bike. This bike is amazing. I got no complaints. I mean, it's got a lot of torque. I'm slowly learning how to wheelie this thing. I mean, if that's what you're looking for, this might be the bike, but you know, it's just a lot of money. I don't want to see any kids going broke trying to save for this thing. Either way, that's it. Subscribe if you want. See you in the next video later.